Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for July 6, 2023, this Friday Eve. First, we'll look at the picture of the National Weather Service radar, the national picture for the lower 48 United States. Look at the hazards, and then we'll look at the tropics. First on off with the national picture, as you can see, there's some showers in the central, south central portion of the United States, from Birmingham through the I-20 corridor, from Jackson to Birmingham, back through the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Heavy rain and showers, nothing too severe, maybe occasionally picking up some nickel-sized hail out of these, but just typical summertime thunderstorms in that area. And this extends also over to Florida. These popcorn showers extend down the I-95 corridor from Jacksonville, St. Augustine, down through Orlando and Port Canaveral and Melbourne Beach and into Miami and West Palm Beach. These showers, Boca, continue to make their way offshore here. And that's also needed to help break the heat. These sea breeze showers in Florida, temperatures reach 100 degrees, 110 degrees heat indices for many places from the Panhandle of Tallahassee all the way down through Miami and into the south central Georgia here. So these showers will continue to push south and east. Showers, popcorn showers, continue in the spine of the Appalachians all the way up through Maryland and Pennsylvania. These showers will continue to march their way eastward here, providing some relief to the heat-stricken northeast and mid-Atlantic states as well. So we also have some showers out west on the Front Range. Now these showers coming out of Denver are light in nature, as you can see by this light green color. They're coming along I-70, about to enter Kansas. So Hays, Salina, Topeka, Kansas later on tonight. Watch out for some popcorn showers and thunderstorms. Along I-25, if you're in Cheyenne, coming through Casper, Cheyenne, Billings, Montana, these heavy rain showers will continue there for you too. Out in the west, it looks absolutely beautiful in this area. Hot in Phoenix and the deserts out there in Los Angeles, east of Los Angeles, and Indio and Blythe. Hot down there. And also that will be one too as well. So we also going to need let's look at the hazards right now. We have hazards out, just red flag delays out in the excessive heat in the Four Corners area from St. George, Utah through Colorado, down through the Grand Canyon area of Arizona, and also through Utah as well. And we also have a severe thunderstorm watch in the eastern half of Wyoming and the eastern half of Colorado. So if you're coming through Boulder or Fort Collins through 76 Colorado there, be careful. There's some thunderstorms, some watches. So some of those storms could contain hail, like I said, and gusty winds above 58 miles an hour sustained. Now, the excessive heat watch is only a small area here for excessive heat, more so for the humidity values that will be near 100%. This includes the area between Texarkana, Texas, and over to Shreveport and Oil City, Louisiana, down through maybe Hammond and Alexandria in the northern Louisiana section. So be careful if you're out there. Drink plenty of water, get in the shade, and also wear light clothing if you're out there these watches. Now, there is a brief flood watch once again for those showers that are exiting the Front Range of Denver and heading into Kansas once again. So if you're in southern Kansas on the border of Oklahoma Panhandle, be careful. There's a flood watch in existence with National Weather Service hazards. Now, as far as the Hurricane Center goes, we have nothing going on in the Atlantic expected for during the next 48 hours. No tropical development. In the Eastern Pacific, we do have an invest out there that's going to be a high chance, a 90% chance of development. So this probably will become our next named storm in the Eastern Pacific. It was moving away from land. That's the good thing. It's moving away from the coast of mainland Mexico, and so this another one of those storms is going to be for the fish storms and mariners' interest. And now in the Central Pacific, we have nothing going on there, no storms to report at this time. So this is what we have everywhere around across the country. This is your typical summertime pattern where we have a huge surge of warm air coming up through the south and the mid-Atlantic and the northeast. This will continue through the weekend. So this heat wave that's experiencing from the Sun Belt all the way up to the northeast, this will continue through the weekend, through Sunday or Monday. These heat temperatures, high temperatures, before we get a break with more so rainy showers and then a break in this pattern to bring us back to more normal temperatures. By the way, the earth temperature rose, the whole earth temperature rose up to the highest temperature recorded 65 degrees, average temperature on all of earth throughout all of the hemispheres. This is the warmest temperature we've had in over 50 something odd years. So we'll continue to rise by the global climate change. Let me know what you think in the comments. There's the Weather Guru update for the continuous update for the current weather, for the current weather update for the contiguous lower 48 United States. Thank you for joining me. Please be subscribed to the Weather Guru. I'll talk to you very soon.